All right, guys, 2022 Toyota Tacoma V6 TRD. As you guys see, got army green, really cool looking truck. I love it. Hope you guys like it. Got converter there, converter there. It's got two more on top, there and there. Then it wires into a single there, and then we put an accelerator. Part number XS1235 right there. There'll be a link in the description for it. Then 2.5-inch pipe right there, and then it continues 2.5-inch, and we also put on a black tip roll out the back right there. As you guys can see, came out really nice, really clean. There's the truck right there, all the way from Hawaii. As you guys can see, I think he just moved here. So welcome to Tennessee. Hope you guys like it. We love Tennessee. So, and like always, guys, if you don't know, we are located in Nashville, Tennessee. There's the muffler that was on it right there that we cut off. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. And like always, guys, like, comment, subscribe. 2022 Tacoma V6 with an accelerator muffler and a black tip. You don't want it too loud, just a clean sound. There's sound decibels. Right at 94. Again. Toyota Tacoma TRD. That sounds really nice. And the nice thing about these mufflers, guys, in about 30 days they break in, get a little bit louder. Let you guys hear it on the inside. Toyota Tacoma V6 accelerator muffler and black tip in the rain. I don't know if you guys can see the rain. The rain gives it a sparkle.